Let us see a very nice example. As you can see, here I have a hair clip. Right? I have a hair clip in my hand. If I compare the mass of this bottle full of water and this clip, obviously the mass will be very less. The mass will be very less in comparison to this water bottle. If I leave it, क्या डूब जाएगा कि नहीं ना फ्लोट होगा
डूब जाएगा
डूब जाएगा
हाँ
डूब जाएगा ना बस चलो but if I take 50 times heavier than this like a sheep it will not sink it will float simple 50 times heavier than this pin I can put not 50 100 times I can consider right take out this pin even I take a smaller pin only now tell me how many pin will equivalent to one bottle 1000 1000 pin do you socho even if I take more smaller do you have any empty pin or empty pen ऐसा पेन है जो खाली पेन है
कृष्ण को दिया था दे दो यार
है ना खाली पेन
का वो लाओ ना
स्टेपलर का पिन दो
स्टेपलर का पिन दो क्या क्या लाता है बाप रे
bring it give it to me simple thing here it is a very minute thing this is a very minute thing what do you imagine what do you think will it be sinking or floating OMG you see what is this look yeah come on see it out
बच्चा पानी
पानी को थोड़ा रुको रुको रुको
रख दे बच्चा पानी है
okay where is the other thing that one left one
ये लीजिए
hey no need okay very good okay leave it now see where is that okay come on my dear look this stapler pen is very small
यस
not hardly even 1 gram also but here we can see 1000 5000 times heavier than this pin right but it is not sinking it is floating it's all about buoyant force it's all about density right
Yes.
that thing we're going to understand now more detail our next topic will be Archimedes principle that will be more interesting okay Archimedes principle I hope it is clear
Yes,
now if I ask you why this pin or why this stapler pin which not even a gram also it is sinking but there is a bottle of 500 gram 500 more times or 1000 times more than this it is floating why what answer you will be giving
इसको पूछ दिया सर
এটা বুঝি পারলাম Maharaj what you understood why it is sinking density is small only one case or huh?
वॉल्यूम
Now one more case. Very interesting. Now you see the answer. As we know, this pin is sinking. I put it inside. This also inside water. This also inside water.
नपा हुआ है
तो नहीं डूब रहा है? No? Oh, इसको और फेंकेगा पानी को फेंक देगा थोड़ा सा. Same what we did is so many people are also like going in the ship. We are on the ship. Okay? Consider this a ship, big container. There is a lot of people are carried by the ship.
रुको
Same thing is happening. Are you getting or not what I'm saying?
सर
Huh? You see, it is floating now. Ship can hold thousands of people inside it, right? That's the thing. Now let us understand more in detail about this condition. What is happening now? So is it clear now? Density clear?
Yes, sir.
How can a density be increased? Density can be increased by increasing mass and reducing volume. Okay. Next thing is that how can you increase density? Oh, already done. How can you decrease density? By decreasing mass, increasing volume. So here the volume is more. The volume is more. I extend the volume. Right? As much you keep the air vacant, जितना खाली जगह रखेगा, जितना हवा घुसाएगा, उसका density बहुत कम पे रहेगा. इसलिए देखो समुद्र का जो नीचे वाला पार्ट है ना पूरा वैक्यूम होता है. It's a vacuum. ठीक है? People cannot go there. नीचे वाला part. And most of the parts were like covered with air only. And air have the lightest or least density. Air cannot dissolve in water. Right now, air has the least density. That's why most of the space are keep it vacant or void or empty, so that it will never sink in the water. That's the thing. But one more thing. Some example. Now, have you seen many movies? Right? They are going in a boat. Suddenly, the boat got a hole inside it. It is hit. It is considered suddenly this boat is hit by a sharp object, and there is a hole, and the boat started sinking now. Have you seen the movies?
Yes.
Writing तो बहुत बड़ा चीज़ और बहुत movies है. So many movies are there. You see. So when a boat is going suddenly, that boat is being hit by something sharp object. There's a hole. There's a hole. वो hole से क्या होगा? पानी की पूरा floating और पानी लीक हो रहा है. तो आस्ते आस्ते डूबना शुरू होता है. Have you seen? Why? Because when water is getting inside, density is increases. It is crossing the density of water and it started sinking into the water. ये कारण है. तो उसको डूबने से बचाने से क्या करना पड़ता है? हीरो लोग क्या करते हैं? पूरा पानी गिर बाहर है कि नहीं? Trying to put out the water from the ship, ना from the boat also, ताकि ना डूबे, मेरा जहाज ना डूबे, मेरा नौका ना डूबे. ये कहानी. Clear ना? Have you seen some of the lifesaver kits are there in the big ship? They're using tire tube. Have you seen? The tube is the tube has air inside it. It's a gold color.
Yes.
Have you seen orange color का होता है? Even if you take the tube of a like car or a cycle, चलो छोटा हो जाएगा. Try and say you will never sing. है ना? You will enjoy. आपका हाथ घुसा को ऐसा करके ऐसा करो तो दिन भर अपलोड करेगा. You will not sing. Why you will not sing? Because in that tube, there's an air. And air have a very less density and it will never sink in the water. The other thing, it will always help you to float. Clear ना? समझ में आया जैसे? जितना हवा होगा इतना ज़्यादा कम density होगा, जितना कम density होगा वो कम डूबेगा. ठीक है ना? So now, the ultimate last conclusionary topic we have in the chapter class 9, that is your Archimedes principle. Right? There's one more topic was there in the book. It is now related. It is relative density. Relative density is related now. But then also I will try to teach you. Now, you want to hear the story? There's a story behind this.
Yes.
So Archimedes was a great scientist. So Manjuti, where he was from actually? From which country he belonged to? Archimedes? France. France or Greek? Greek, but now it is France.
ऐसे करेगा.
But shall I explain or shall I demonstrate first?
Demonstration.
Story? Okay, story goes here like that. There's a kingdom, and there's a king, very rich king. A king ordered a goldsmith to make a very beautiful crown. You know crown?
Yes.
So next day, the goldsmith came to the king, and king ordered him to make a beautiful and expensive crown, and he gave a lot of gold to melt it and to make it a crown. So what happened? After a few days of hard work, the goldsmith made a crown, and he presented to the king. My Highness, here is your crown that you have ordered for. But when the king held that crown, a doubt arose in his mind. The doubt was that the goldsmith might have done Jojal, might have done some partiality in this case. stole some gold from me. And I was doubt हुआ, शक पैदा हुआ कि पक्का वो मिक्स किया, पक्का वो घोटाला किया. So he asked him, have you done everything correctly now? Yes, my highness. You see, you gave 2 kg of gold. You wait now also. After waiting the crown, he found 2 kg only. Still the king was in doubt. अरे 2 kg सोना दिया, 2 kg मुकुट है, तो ये डाउट लगा है. That time, like he called Archimedes, great friend, he's a good friend of king. Archimedes, come here, my dear. Can you prove? Is this gold is pure or duplicate? Can you prove it? I will give one big day. Right, I will reward you if you can prove is it original or duplicate. The great Archimedes took this crown at his home, and he started thinking day and night how to prove, because the condition is that he cannot melt also, he cannot break also, he cannot do anything, he cannot destroy the crown without a destruction, without it destroying it, because otherwise by melting also we can check the purity. Again, king has told him you should not destroy this, you cannot break it, you cannot tear it, you cannot wire it. Without tearing and wiring, you have to prove that the crown is original or duplicate. It's a big challenge. It's a really big challenge for the Archimedes. What he could do, what he can do for checking it, purity. So day and night he started thinking about this matter, what to do. So he thought of taking a cold shower, and there's a bathtub. You know bathtub? ऐसे होता bathtub. So the letter ना देखा कि नहीं हीरो ने इसको. तो क्या किया? But he did. The bathtub was full of water. In the thali. Okay. Hold. The bathtub was full of water. He was naked. And he started putting his right leg. आस्ते लेफ्ट है. He was shocked to see it. अरे जैसे अपना पैर घुसा रहा है, हाथ घुसा रहा है, पानी निकाल रहा है. अरे बाप रे. आस्ते वो 2 पैर घुसाया, पकड़ घुसाया, बॉडी घुसाया. जितना वो अपना बॉडी को इमर्ज करने लगा, as much he started immersing his body inside the water, more amount of water is flowing out. A idea hit his brain. He said, Eureka! And he ran toward the king. My Highness, I got it. Now I can prove it easily that the gold is pure or mixture. It's a very great invention at that time. What do you understood from here? An idea clicked in his mind. What is the idea? As much his body get immersed in the water, अब पूरा बॉडी कूदेगा तो ज़्यादा पानी निकलेगा. अब जो पानी निकला, the volume of this water displaced is equal to the volume of his body. समझ में आया? This is the way he can find the density. This is the way he can find density. Very interesting. One more time I am saying. Look, the Archimedes know, because look, in this planet, in this materialistic world, everything is got a definite density. सोना का अलग density है, silver का अलग density है, aluminum का अलग density है, copper का अलग density है. Every substance in the nature has different density, right? And to find density, I told you, you need mass and you need volume. He can easily count the mass by a weighting machine. But how can he know the volume? Because it is an irregular shape. We know the volume only of few things, right? As we got in class 7, 8 also, then we know the volume of like the cylinder. It is what? 2 pi r square h. We know the volume of like a cone. Volume of cone is what? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pi r square h. We know the volume of a cube. What is the volume of a cube? That is your L cube. We know the volume of a cuboid. The volume of cuboid is what? Length, breadth, height, LBH. But it is a crown. It is not of a definite shape. It is an irregular shape. How can you find the volume of this? Now see, I want to find the volume of my fist, my hand. Do you have any formula for this? Do you have any formula? We don't have any formula. But I want to know the volume of this. What to do? We can do this experiment. What we can do? We can take an empty vessel. We can take a container full of water. Okay, ekdam brim full of water. Ekdam. Now what I can do? Yes. Now I want to find the volume of my hand. This much only. So I can dissolve this part. As I dissolve. Okay. I will remove it. And I will see how much water is dissolved. I will find the volume of this. I will find the volume of this. ये पानी में जितना वॉल्यूम होगा ना दोस्त, मेरा हाथ का भी इतने वॉल्यूम होगा. Because the volume of substance dissolved in the water, same volume of water will displace. Right. ये वॉल्यूम. So क्या घुसाएगा? ट्यूब में घुसाएगा, एक सिलेंडर में घुसाएगा. वॉल्यूम मेजर कर सकते हैं usually. Is not it? Can you find the volume or not? Yeah, we can easily find the volume of this water. And hence, we can prove or we can find the volume of water. And this way, the Archimedes found the volume, and with the help of mass and volume, he find density, and he checked, he compared the density with the gold, and he found that there is some mixture in it, and the gold is punished, and he is rewarded for this. A great invention. I hope it is clear. Yes. So Archimedes principle has a lot of application in our daily life, everywhere. Right? It helps us to find the volume of any irregular shape. It also helps us to find the force exerted by the water on the substance and many things else. Now, there is more deeper understanding of Archimedes principle. You want to know? So before that, you write a statement. Define the Archimedes principle.